We're under a heavy thunderstorm warning. It's not raining all that hard here right now. It was earlier, but we're under a tornado warning.
Flash flood watch is in effect for the Dallas-Fort Worth area as well through 7 o'clock tonight. And we do have a couple of flash flood warnings here for Grayson County and Fannin County. That includes Bonham, White-Wright, Van Alstyne, up through the Sherman-Denison area. Heavy thunderstorms will trigger some localized flash flooding in these areas.
One thing about it here, we've got a tornado shelter in the building here where we live. And all we have to do to go to it is just turn around. Walk through the house. And out this door into the hall. The hall is built like a bridge and will support the entire weight of the building if it should collapse on it. This is a 3-story building, and the instructions are to, in case the tornado warning goes off, is to come down to the center hall and stay here. It's almost continuous thunder now outside, and really coming down, but we don't have much wind. And judging from the time from the flash to the sound of the thunder, it's only about a couple miles away or at most. But I think we're getting into the backside of the heaviest thunder now and heaviest rain.